Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ha kajingelang jong ka Kabinet kabla long menta kasni hapo kajingelam jong umentri rangba kajilla u konrat ki sangma. Ka sorkar klashim ya karai ban Wanrah ka jingpynkylla ha ki subject lani ki phangi bakantum ha ki examin Meghalaya Civil Services MCS ka bapelong da ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission MPSC. Ukonrad habakran shikilat pathai khubor ulaong ba kathong jongane ka jingpynkylla kalong ban Pynbna bat Pynbna ya karukam pelong examin khnang bakalong ka bashai ka bahok bar ka ba ailad ya baro ki samla badan sap banyakun ha ka limpung ka baba. Ulay thu ru bagi subject exam ka baminta kinsadan ki jingpynkylla ban pelong ya ka exam ka ba khamlong ka ba kor bar ka bompin silong ya ki samla. Kani ka jingpynkylla ka longkat kum ka model jong ki jula ba hakmat ha India ba kanyaro siya ka National Civil Services Standard. Ka sorkar kan sapentip pa basyan ya ki subject bala pynkylla ka exam pattern bat ki way ki jingtip badan kam. Menteri rangba ulapan pau bakani kadi ka sinjam ka bakraw ban kentiu ya ka MPSC bat ban ailad ika samla Meghalaya ba kinyo rung ha ka civil services da ka jingya khun ka bahok bat ka bajanai. Ka sorkar ka dun kathong ban pelong ya ka Meghalaya Civil Services ka way ni ka service bat betam bar ka bomdan jingkulmar. Ka jingpynkylla ha ki subject kadi kalinti ban poisya kata kathong laong ukonrat ki sangma. Kani ka sinjam kalawan ra ru ka jing sngo kemen ha ki samla ki bidang penkre ban shimbenta ha ki examen sorkar.
Cleared so we have also decided today to discontinue the optional subject in the MCS competitive exams. Now, as you know, in the competitive exams, there are certain set subjects, and apart from the certain set subjects, there is an optional subject. So a student can take the optional subject as mathematics, as geography, history, whatever, and there are 23 of them. Now, what happens is that because of the optional subjects, sometimes the level playing field is not there because it depends on those 23 subjects that are optional. Some years, some optional subjects are easier compared to others. Sometimes the marking systems are easier compared to others. And there seems to be kind of an undue advantage that comes as per the optional subject the individual takes. So there are 23 of them. And also, it is a huge task for MPSC to conduct these optional exams that are there. And therefore, based on the recommendations that have been given by the MPSC itself and by a MPSC reform committee that was formed quite some time back, this particular suggestion has been given, and we have decided as a cabinet to accept that suggestion. And this optional subject paper that was there in the MCS service is now going to be removed. And in the future, rather, we will have a subject which will be on Meghalaya. We will introduce a subject on Meghalaya where we would like to ask and allow our, the candidates to know the different aspects of Meghalaya, its economics, its culture, its different aspects of its, of its history. All of these things will be introduced in the Meghalaya subject because you're going to be officer of the Meghalaya Civil Service. So therefore, we'll remove the optional subject and we will put in a subject on our state of Meghalaya. And of course, there'll be different aspects to it. So those details, there will be a committee or a group of officials who will work that out and recommend on what kind of subjects and what aspects should be put in there. So this was a very important decision, a very important reform, I should say, which will help in conducting the MCS exams in a much faster and much quicker manner. And more importantly, it will allow a level playing field for all the candidates who apply. We of course had the speech for the Independence Day